Hey everybody, it's Juanita at Your Way Tours. Whew, today we are in Vietnam at a marble factory. They call it a workshop. Let me tell you, they have some marble out here. They make some things never even thought about. Things for your house, things for rooms, stairs, your home, office, and any animal that you could possibly think of is here. So, your next trip to Vietnam should make sure that you stop by because they do some awesome work here with the beautiful, beautiful marble and stone work. Whew. It's too bad I can't take this on the plane. All right, it's Juanita signing off from Your Way Tours in Vietnam today.